5 tips to resolve misunderstandings in a relationship. Good ways to remove misunderstandings in the relationship have been told in this video. If you also want to slow down the problem of your relationship quickly, then watch the full video and apply it on yourself. 1. Openly communicate. If during a conversation, you didn't like what your partner said, then stop them right there and ask them what they exactly meant. 2. Make them understand your point. Let the person understand what you actually meant. 3. Avoid texting during a fight. If you both are facing any conflict or fight, then instead of resolving it on text, try to meet your partner face to face and find a solution. 4. Agree to disagree. If you think you are right and your partner thinks they are right, then instead of arguing, find a middle ground. 5. Stay calm and focus on the positive points. Every relationship has some positive aspects to look through. If you are feeling misunderstandings are building up between you two, then try to stay calm and look at the positive points of your relationship. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the video. For watching such interesting videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell.